Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Wall Patch Kit is probably one of the most versatile and affordable home repair solutions available, transforming unsightly holes and cracks into seamless surfaces with minimal effort. This video will guide you through selecting the right kit for your needs, ensuring a professional-looking finish every time, no matter your skill level, and saving you money compared to hiring a professional. Number 5. Red Devil 0549 Patch Kit. This kit makes fixing walls easier than ever. It's got everything you need for quick and simple repairs. You get the spackling compound, a wall patch, sandpaper, and a putty knife, everything in one convenient package. It's designed for easy application. Fill holes, cracks, and dents quickly and efficiently. It works on various surfaces like drywall, plaster, wood, and stucco, both inside and outside your home. Get a smooth finish without sanding. It's ready for painting right away, saving you time and effort. It won't shrink, crack, or flake, ensuring your repairs last. It's a truly durable solution. This product is made in the USA, ensuring high quality and reliability. What we like? This kit is perfect for quick, easy fixes. It's a no-sand formula, saving you time and effort. If you need a durable, long-lasting repair without the mess, this is the one for you. What people say. The spackle is super easy to apply, just a quick swipe with the included tool, and it filled the hole smoothly. It dried quickly, and within a few hours, I was able to sand it down and paint over it to blend it in with the rest of the wall. The Red Devil 0542 one-time lightweight spackling is a highly effective product for quick and easy wall repairs. Its smooth, creamy texture makes application a breeze, ensuring a professional finish even for beginners. The spackling dries quickly, allowing for efficient sanding and painting within hours. It's easy to apply, dries quickly, and creates a smooth, flawless finish. Perfect for small repairs around the house, and it's lightweight, making it simple to work with. Number 4. Sugelary Drywall Repair Kit. This kit provides a quick and easy solution for repairing holes, chips, and scratches in your walls. It's perfect for both interior and exterior use. It's made with a special blend of wall glue, resin, and carbonate for strong adhesion and an invisible finish. Simply extrude and scrape for a professional look. It can be used on walls, doors, cabinets, and more. Restore your home's beauty with ease. The kit includes everything you need: repair paste, a scraper, and gloves. Just follow the simple instructions for a perfect repair. If the paste is too thick, add a small amount of hot water and mix well. Remember to store it at the right temperature for best results. This kit contains 100 g of wall repair paste, a nozzle extender, a scraper, 2 rubber gloves, and sandpaper. Everything you need for a professional-looking repair is included. What we like? This kit boasts a unique formula for virtually invisible repairs. It comes with everything you need for a professional-looking finish. If you're looking for a flawless, easy-to-use solution, this is your best bet. What people say. Very easy to apply, it dries quickly, and the kit comes with everything you need for a small job. There's even a little sandpaper included to help smooth it out. The patches adhere well, lay very flat and smooth, are very sturdy. The included nozzle saved the day. I just held the spackle nozzle up to the hole, gave it a squeeze, quickly moved away from the hole at an angle, and done after a wipe down a few hours later. I was grateful for the scraper and the piece of sandpaper. Number 3. Drywall Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating wall damage. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, no matter the size of the hole. It comes with a variety of sizes to perfectly match your needs. You'll find the right patch for any wall imperfection. This kit is made from lightweight, yet strong aluminum. It's built to last and provides a durable repair. Application is a breeze. Just clean the area, peel off the backing, and apply it to the damaged surface. From kitchens and offices to factories, it's versatile enough to handle repairs anywhere. It's the ultimate solution for all your drywall needs. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll help you resolve them promptly. What we like? This kit offers a variety of patch sizes to fit any hole. Application is a breeze, and the patches adhere strongly. If you need a simple, effective solution for different sized holes, choose this one. What people say. The self-adhesive fiberglass patches are easy to apply and stick securely to the wall, saving me time and hassle compared to traditional methods. The patches are large enough to cover decent-sized holes, and they blend well with the wall once they're patched up and painted over. This drywall repair kit was simple to use and a great price versus paying a professional. It is thick enough to cover the damage left by an old TV wall mount and gave us the finished look we were hoping for. The package contained several sizes so we could customize the fit. Number 2. XFasten Drywall Repair Kit. Tired of unsightly holes in your walls? This kit makes repairs quick and easy, lasting for years to come. It's built to last. The reinforced aluminum and fiberglass mesh ensure a durable and long-lasting repair. Say goodbye to messy adhesives. Its clean acrylic adhesive bonds securely without sticking to your hands, working on various surfaces. With various sizes included, patching holes is a breeze. Just prime, patch, and sand for a seamless finish in minutes. The lightweight fiberglass mesh creates an incredibly smooth, almost invisible repair. You'll barely notice it's there. Unlike other kits, it features a corrosion-proof, bend-resistant aluminum backing for superior strength and durability. What we like? This kit is built to last, with heavy-duty materials for long-lasting repairs. The strong adhesive ensures a secure patch, and it's designed for quick application. If you prioritize durability and speed, this kit is ideal. What people say. The XFasten Drywall Repair Kit is a highly rated and practical solution for quick drywall repairs. With its easy-to-use, self-adhesive aluminum mesh patches, it offers convenience and reliability for fixing holes in walls and ceilings. The different sizes of strong metal sheets were an extra bonus. Peel the backing and stick over the hole needing repair and apply compound. Nice product. Great size options. Easy to use. Number 1. DAP 12345 DryDex Patch Kit. This innovative kit makes repairing holes in your walls easier than ever. It's perfect for drywall, plaster, or even masonry. Say goodbye to unsightly holes. It handles damage up to 3 inches in diameter, making it ideal for various repairs around your home. This unique spackling compound has a built-in dry time indicator. You'll know exactly when it's ready for sanding and painting. It's the original and best-selling formula. You'll love how easily it applies and the flawless finish it provides. Repair holes and cracks quickly and easily. It's the perfect solution for both home and office repairs. The color-changing formula takes the guesswork out of knowing when your patch is dry. It starts pink and dries white. For exterior use, always remember to use a high-quality exterior paint as a top coat to protect your repair. What we like? This kit features a unique dry time indicator to eliminate guesswork. The spackle is easy to apply and provides a reliable repair. If you value precision and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked as intended. Sanding it down can be messy, so be prepared to vacuum afterwards. I had some holes in my room from hanging frames and wanted to fix the holes before I moved. This is so easy to use and works very, very well. And also a bucket is probably enough to fix like 30 houses. I used this to repair damage caused by accidental pulling towel rail off plasterboard wall. Filled screw holes and used patch on larger damage, then when it was completely dry, sanded flat and used some of the product very slightly watered down on top, which I dabbed with a face cloth to get a stippled effect matching the rest of the wall. After painting, it's hard to see the repair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.